The band on bass, how about a big hand? Soft Nina. Ooh. Keyboard 1, Ivan Espinosa. Cute, di ba? May asawa na. Okay, wag niyo nang isipin masyado si Ivan. Keyboard 2, Orly de la Cruz. Just got married. Pogi rin. Lahat yung mga ano dito, pogi. On drums, the one and only. Kilala niyo? June Regalado. One and only talaga yan. June was already, ano na yan, ayaw na, bakasyon na daw siya, magliliwaliw na lang. Pero sabi ko, no, June, you have to come back and do our shows in Hacienda Isabela. So he started playing drums again for me. Maraming salamat, June. Ikaw talaga ang pinakamagaling. And on guitars and our music director, Ketel Maka. Guys, single. Okay, so may pag-aasa pa kayo.